Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lin's kitchen. Last time I showed you how to make gluten-free udon noodles, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beef udon soup using this udon. So let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. I'm able to make 2 servings of beef udon with these measurements. For the handmade gluten-free udon noodles, you can visit my last video. Tenkasu or small bits of tempura batter is optional, but it really enhances the flavor and texture of this dish. If you don't know how to make Tenkasu, you can see how it's made in my gluten-free tempura video. I use beef ribs for this recipe, but any good cut of beef will work. I already have a video on how to make Dashi soup stock, so make sure you check that out first. Or you can also use the home dashi powder sold at any Asian supermarket to prepare the soup stock. All the recipes I mentioned will be linked in the description box below. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, chop the green onion. Next, thinly slice the yellow onion. We'll use this to saute with the beef. Grate the ginger. Make sure to peel the skin first. Cut a few thin slices of carrot. The carrot, green onion, and tenkasu or tempura bits will be the condiments for our beef udon. Next, we will need to marinate the beef with 1 tablespoon of gluten-free soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and ½ teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything together and let the beef marinate for 20 minutes. You can also do this before you prepare the condiments and the soup stock to save time. I bought this beef already thinly sliced from Ranch 99, but many Asian groceries also offer this convenient option. If you choose your own beef, the easiest way of making that paper-thin beef is to half freeze it and slice it. You can also slice it using a meat slicer. Here, I'm just heating up my homemade gluten-free udon noodle in hot water. If you use store-bought noodles, prepare following the instruction on the package. Next, blanch the carrot for 20 seconds. I'm just reusing the boiling water I use for my udon noodles. To prepare the udon soup stock, heat 4 cups of dashi with 2 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Bring the pot to a boil. Since the beef already is marinated and flavorful, the soup stock doesn't need to be salty. Once the soup is bubbling, lower the heat enough to keep the soup stock hot while we stir-fry the beef. In a pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil and saute the sliced yellow onion until fragrant. Next, add the marinated beef and continue to stir-fry until the beef is well done. Turn off the heat when the beef is fully cooked. We're now ready to serve the beef udon. First, add a few ladles of soup stock into a bowl with the udon noodles. Next, place some stir-fried beef into the bowl. Add a few pieces of blanched carrot. Top off with some green onion and tenkasu if you decide to use it. And you're done! Here is my beef udon soup with homemade gluten-free udon noodles. This is a simple and delicious meal that you can make it under 30 minutes as long as you have all the ingredients ready. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Please don't forget to share this recipe and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and happy eating! Delicious.